Welcome to Appstorm, your platform for generating, bookmarking, and sharing unique AI apps. Let's dive in. Got an idea? Type it in, and with a simple click, your app is brought to life in seconds. Stuck in a rut? Tap the Appstorm logo and let a whirlwind of creativity inspire you. Need something specific? Punch in your topic, hit the Appstorm logo, and watch the ideas rain. Found something worth keeping? Bookmark it into your digital treasure chest. Excited about an app? Share the joy with others. No longer need an app? Swipe it away with a click. Got distracted? Don't worry. Appstorm automatically pauses your progress. Just resume when you're ready. Encountered a glitch? A quick reload will set things right. Looking for nostalgia? Take a trip through the sidebar and revisit your past creations. Overwhelmed with apps? Use our filters to sift through your creations. From conception to sharing, Appstorm is your complete toolkit for app creation and inspiration. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and let's start making your app ideas a reality with Appstorm.